Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn post notifications when someone posts on TikTok. First thing you do is open up your TikTok, click on your profile icon, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, tap on notifications, scroll down to post you interact with, turn it on. So you'll be notified when your friends or followers comment on other friends' posts you like or commented on. The next thing, you go to posts from your account you follow, tap on it. Now get post from accounts you follow, turn it on. So now you get notifications from all accounts you follow. Now if you don't want from all accounts, you want from a few, you can turn this other option on, notification from friends, and then you choose the ones you want to get notification from and the ones you do not want by tapping on personalize. And that's it. That is how to turn on post notifications when someone posts on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more.